Are you tired of settling for mediocre meals on subpar grills? Well, fear not, because we've got the scoop on the 5 best gas grills that will take your outdoor cooking game to the next level. From sizzling steaks to perfectly charred veggies, these bad boys are sure to make you the envy of the neighborhood. So grab your apron and fire up the grill, because it's time to show those burgers who is the boss. Let's jump into the first one. If you're looking for a budget-friendly gas grill, the Weber Spirit 2 E210 is the perfect choice. Although this compact grill is smaller in size, it packs a powerful punch when it comes to performance. The porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates on the E210 provide excellent heat retention and distribution, ensuring that your food cooks evenly every time. The fold-down side table is a convenient feature that allows you to have extra space when you need it and tucks away neatly when you don't. Plus, the built-in lid thermometer takes the guesswork out of grilling, so you can cook with confidence. One of the standout features of the E210 is the GS4 grilling system, which delivers consistent, reliable heat for perfect results every time. While the E210's cooking area is slightly smaller than some other models, it's still plenty of space for most grilling tasks. Although it may not be ideal for indirectly cooking larger items like whole chickens, it excels at grilling foods that benefit from intense direct heat. For anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of gas grilling without breaking the bank, the Weber Spirit 2 E210 is an excellent choice. So why not elevate your outdoor cooking game and give it a try? Number 4 is Royal Gourmet GA543B. This gas grill stands out from the crowd with its powerful performance and versatile cooking options. The spacious cooking space, including porcelain enameled cast iron grates, allows you to cook up to 18 hamburgers at once. The sear burner, rear burner, and side burner offer a total of 74,000 BTUs, giving you precise control over the heat for searing, roasting, or slow cooking. The rotisserie kit with motor adds even more cooking options, allowing you to slow roast a whole chicken for juicy, tender results. Cleanup is a breeze, thanks to the removable grease tray and cup, reducing the risk of flare-ups. The side table provides ample workspace, while the electronic igniter and integrated gauge make it easy to start up and monitor the grill. One of the standout features of this grill is the dual power option for the rotisserie kit, allowing you to use either an electric motor or batteries. While this grill excels in performance and versatility, some users may find the assembly process a bit daunting. However, once you have this grill up and running, you'll love the endless cooking possibilities. Number 3. Weber Genesis E325S. This is a powerhouse of a grill offering 20% more cooking area than its closest competitor, and an extra burner to create the perfect sear zone for your steaks. Sear multiple steaks at once on the extra-large sear zone. This feature allows you to cook all your meat evenly and quickly, perfect for hosting a barbecue with friends and family. Expandable top cooking grate creates a second level of grilling, giving you the option to cook smaller items like veggies or seafood without taking up valuable space on the main grilling surface. Compatible with Weber-crafted accessories, this grill gives you the flexibility to customize your grilling experience with additional frame and grillware options. The extra-large prep and serve table is a game-changer for outdoor cooking, providing ample space for all your ingredients, tools, and finished dishes in one convenient location. The new and improved pull-out grease tray makes cleaning up a breeze, eliminating the hassle of dealing with drip and residue after each use, while the closed cart design with double doors and 4 casters is a great feature for mobility. Some users may find it bulkier than other models. Overall, this model of Weber Genesis is a top contender in the gas grill market, offering unmatched cooking space heat output and customization options for any grilling enthusiast. Check out the Weber Genesis E325S today to take your outdoor cooking to the next level. Monument grills, larger 4-burner propane gas grills, have a whopping 60,000 BTUs of cooking power. This grill is a powerhouse in the world of backyard barbecues. The 4 main burners, 1 side burner, and 1 side sear burner ensure that you can grill up a storm for all your guests without any hiccups. The 683 square inches of total cooking area provides ample space for all your culinary creations, with 473 square inches for primary cooking and 210 square inches for keeping dishes warm. Plus, the large storage cabinet makes it easy to store your LP tank and grilling accessories, keeping everything organized and within reach. LED control knobs for increased visibility at night, adding incredible ambiance to your overall cooking experience. while the electronic ignition system ensures easy burner starts every time. The stainless steel flame tamers guarantee even heat distribution, resulting in perfectly cooked food with great flavors. While there were some cold spots on the grill affecting the char on the food, you can use them to your advantage for indirect cooking. Overall, the Monument Grill's larger 4-burner propane gas grill offers exceptional cooking power, ample space, and convenient features that make it a top choice for barbecue enthusiasts. Market number 1. Weber Spirit 2 E310. The Weber Spirit 2 E310 is the best gas grill on the market, offering top-notch performance and durability. The GS4 grilling system, with its improved ignition and burners, ensures a seamless cooking experience every time. The rust-proof cast aluminum firebox and porcelain enameled cooking grates guarantee that this grill will last for years to come. The 529 square inches of cooking space over 3 burners is perfect for cooking a full meal for your family or grilling up a party-sized batch of burgers. The compact size of the grill makes it suitable for any patio or deck, while the open cart design provides ample space for tools and equipment. The built-in lid thermometer allows for precise temperature control, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. You'll love the convenience of the 6 tool hooks and large wheels, making it easy to move the grill around your outdoor space. Plus, the 30,000 BTU main burners with a fuel gauge provide plenty of power for all your grilling needs. Overall, the Weber Spirit 2 E310 is a standout gas grill that excels in performance, durability, and convenience. If you're looking to take your grilling experience to the next level, this is the grill for you. Be sure to check it out and see for yourself why this grill is a cut above the rest. For all BBQ lovers, a top-quality chef's knife is a game changer. To find the perfect knife for your grilling needs, check out my review of 22 chef knives available in the market. Check it out.